Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Halif's channel. Last week we started a series called Grammar Unit for Speaking Not Exams. Minggu lalu kita fokus ke grammar dasar untuk ngobrol sehari-hari. Today is part 2. We'll talk about grammar you use when you talk about plans, requests, and advice. Grammar Unit for Speaking Not Exams Part 2. Let's start with talking about the future. In daily speaking, we usually use going to when we already have a plan and the decision has been made before. For example, I'm going to study English tonight. I'm going to meet a friend later. Kalau sudah direncanakan sebelumnya, pakai going to. We use will when we decide something at the moment. Or for promise or offer. For example, I'll help you. I'll call you later. For speaking, both are very common. The key is the situation. Number 2, let's talk about requests and politeness, something we use every day. We can use can for casual and friendly situation. For example, can you help me? Can I ask you something? So casual and friendly. However, we use could when we want to sound more polite and softer. For example, could you help me please? Could I ask you a question? Dua-duanya benar, tinggal pilih mau terdengar sesantai atau sesopan apa. Now let's move on to the next one. When we want to give advice in English, should is very safe and natural. We can use should for advice or suggestion. For example, you should get some rest. You should practice speaking English every day. So, today you learned grammar that you can actually use when speaking. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.